Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Link shows some short-term strength as we're moving further into the resistance area here on the micro level. Looks like the bulls are kind of in control in the very short term at least, but there is a lot more work to do for the bulls to really confirm that a lasting low has been established on the 5th of August. The problem is mainly with this structure that the initial rally from between the 5th of August low and the 26th of August high was just a 3-wave move. So we can consider it as wave 1 in white, which would be the wave 1 of a larger diagonal pattern, but it requires much more evidence, because if the wave 1 is a 3-wave move, then the third wave is an ABC structure as well, and the 5th wave as well, and it's just not clearly bullish until we have all 5 waves completed. So it just means the structure is prone to failure, or at least it means we have to be on the side of caution. Yeah, that's what Elliott wave tells us. Be careful. The structure is choppy, it looks corrective, but the bulls have a chance as long as certain levels are holding. So as you might remember from previous videos, as long as we're holding above this red line, the white scenario has a chance. It is, however, we're currently in a space or in a situation where probabilities are fairly balanced between short-term bullish and short-term bearish potentials. So the short-term bullish potential is valid as long as this red line is holding at $9.28. And this is the invalidation point. Any break below it would clearly put the bears into control, at least in the short term. This is only a short-term analysis because the overall, let's say, pivot that helps us distinguish between overall bearish momentum and bullish momentum on the long-term chart as well, that's the $6.90 level. So we don't want to see, in a bullish scenario, a sustained break below the $6.90 level. Yeah, we don't want to see a break below the 78.6 Fib level. That would just indicate weakness. For now, we are still holding even the red line, which is sort of, as I said, in the very short term, the pivot between white and yellow counts. As long as we hold above it, white has a chance, but also needs to prove itself. How does it do that? It does that through a break above 1240, which is initial resistance. It's the smaller degree, 78.6 retracement. Need to get above that. That would make the yellow scenario already less likely. I think the bulls definitely have a chance, especially with Bitcoin pointing higher, but they haven't really started yet to really develop that upside momentum that we need to see to be a little bit more confident about the white bullish scenario. In the white count, the bulls should take the price to $17.50 next. So first of all, we need a break above 1240 in the very short term, then a break above this kind of $13 level, which is a swing high from the 28th of September. And then the price needs to take us to $17.50 in the third wave, then a wave 4, then a wave 5 would be ideal. And we have a 5-wave move up that would be potentially bullish. And we can then add support for the subsequent 3-wave corrective pullback, which would be wave 2 after the 5-wave move up would be labeled wave 1, and the pullback would be wave 2. And then from there, we can watch for a 3rd-wave rally to the upside. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.